Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this AgentFire update, I'm excited to share with you some really great improvements that are now launched directly within your AgentFire Spark site. So let's not waste any time and just dive in and check them out. So you'll see on my screen here, I've logged into my Spark site, and as I start navigating to the various tools within my site, you'll notice that we've made some really important changes to the user interface. So for instance, if I go down to the general content here and click on Spark Pages, you'll see that we have a new design for that admin. And the way that you interact with it, the way that you use it is a little bit more streamlined now. So on the left here, you will see that we have some really great success tips that we've compiled for you that is specifically related to this tool. So now that when you're using a particular tool, you now have actionable items that's going to help you get more results with what you're actually interacting with. So for Spark Pages here, we have some tutorials that will help you get started with that particular tool. If you want to learn how to set up IDX search pages, we have an article on that. We have a real estate marketing guide here. We show you how to manage headers and footers, how to order unique content for your various pages and posts. But really, one of the great new features that we've added here is the Spark training button at the top left. So at any point in time, if you're getting stuck or you need help to get results with a particular tool, you just click onto this and you can actually book in one-on-one coaching sessions with our client success managers. Or if you would rather just support a ticket directly to our support team, you can now do that by clicking this little icon on the bottom right, and then everything you submit into here will create a new ticket, ping our support, and we'll get back to you as soon as we possibly can. Now, outside of these really great success tip changes, on the right, we've also changed how you actually manage this tool. So here for Spark Pages, you can see that you can add a new page at the top, you can search for a page, and on all your pages list below, you can use the actions drop down to edit things like the SEO settings. You can delete a page, duplicate a page, and even edit a page. And on the left here, you can change that page's name or view that page by clicking this little icon here, which will open it up in a new tab. Now, what's really cool about all this is that we like consistency, right? We want your user experience to be the same no matter where you are on your Spark site. So that means when you go down to, let's say, your area guides here and you manage your areas, well, you're going to see that exact same user interface. On the left, we've compiled success tips, again, that's related to this specific tool. And on the right, you can actually manage all the different content populated within that tool. So for area pages, we show you how to get more leads with social site lockers. We show you how to boost organic results. We even share some tips on how you can distinguish city pages from neighborhood pages and how you can use those in different ways. On the right, again, you can add new areas. You can go to your actions drop down to edit those SEO settings, to duplicate them, to assign agents to a particular area. And again, you go to any tool here, the Engage tool, when you're managing all your CTAs, you will see that we're providing you with really great client success tips. We're giving you a more streamlined way to manage all of those particular CTAs on the right. And of course, we're always staying in front of you with ways to reach out to us if you ever get stuck. Again, we don't want you to feel alone. If you're looking to get better results, if you see an issue or you need help with something, we're only a click away. But yeah, these are some really great new changes that we've made directly within your AgentFire Spark site. So again, I hope that you enjoyed this update. And of course, if you need any assistance, you can use those new widgets that are now inside your dashboard, or you can go directly to support.agentfire.com and chat with our support team live. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.